Hi everyone and welcome back to Moonbelle Soaps. Today we are making a melons and violet soap. I'm just going to pour in my lye water solution into my oils and butters and get that all blended up and poured into our colours. Okay, so the colours I have chosen today are white, purple, green and pink, just because I felt like those were kind of colours that suited melons and violets. I always think of pink and green for melons, probably like watermelon, and of course the purple for the violets. So I'm going to do a wall pour for this one, so we'll see how it goes. I'm just going to get the soap mold set up here. I'm just putting down a tea towel just to keep it on a tilt so we can do the wall pour, and it creates a bit of a tilt on the soap and the pour. And I'll tell you a bit about the fragrance. So melons and violets, the top notes are melons and pear, middle notes green leaf and cyclamen, and base notes almond and vanilla. I can really smell the melons in it. I really like this one. I don't normally like... It doesn't smell like watermelon as such, but yeah, you can definitely smell... I think the pear in it kind of balances out that melony smell. I can't really explain it. It smells really nice though. I'm just going to hand stir in the fragrance because we don't want it all thickening up on us. Okay, so we definitely have to work faster now because it is thickening up, and it kind of changes the way the soap looks if it's thick. You get more blobs than a pretty kind of swirl. And this is what melons and violets looks like from the top. We will be back in 18 to 24 hours to cut the loaf of soap into bars. See you later. Hello, and we are back the next day to cut melons and violets. Here's what the top looks like. I'll just get it unmolded and then I will show you what it looks like on the inside. If you enjoyed the making of Melons and Violet soap, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the little bell notification for any future videos. If you have any comments, leave them down below. Until next time, keep clean. Bye.